toilet, and he's got some rotten teeth. But it's nothing our remote-controlled car can't take care of. It's got a need for speed, so I'd keep out of its way. Our new friend's given me an idea. Cut the string and grab that tooth. I think we've earned a treat. Hold on, that's no lollipop. But it's just the thing for our brand new drill. Keep the pattern going. Sand the rings into shape. Spray on some paint to keep it monochrome, plus shine. It's just the thing to give our car some edge. Strap on a cage on top. Now for something with a little bite. Break off a piece and cover it up with white clay. We're whipping up a new toilet. Don't forget the hole. Looks like we're gonna have to fill it up too. What? While we're at it, we need a tank on back. A good plumber is always in demand. Especially one who's an electrician on the side, too. Our toilet's gonna need some special shields. We'll need a nice shape with a strong, sturdy texture. Line the jewels up in a pattern, like bolts. Now add some surface primer to help give it a metallic look. But why settle for silver when you can go for the gold? Just add a few finishing touches and place on top of the wheels. Now let's make something for the front wheels. Add some more primer, and we want the colors to match. Next, let's add some things to keep our rider safe. Add a nice shield right in front. Add some color. And thanks to our levers, it's a convertible. Next, use that cup to make an engine on back and fill it up. Careful, I don't think that's ice cream, or even a cone. But we can still put them to use. Trace the bottom. It'll create a shape that'll fit right inside our new headlights. Next, the tires could use a little extension too. Trim the sticks into shape and cover with paint. Get those engines ready, 'cause our car's ready to hit the road. Let's just take one last look around. Yeah, everything's in check. It's time to show off what a custom paint job can do. Of course, it doesn't hurt to think outside the blocks. We're whipping up our own block car. But who needs a minifig? We can drive it ourselves. After all, we've got a need for speed. Unfortunately, there's always a bigger car. Well, it's time to go back to basics. I think what our car really needs is a sturdy backbone. Add some heat to loosen these bones. Of course, a car's gonna need some metal. And what's more metal than some aluminum foil? Next, we're gonna need some modeling clay. Smush it, flatten it, and use it to customize your car. Let's stick to the front part. We want to show off those bones. While we're at it, add some minute details. We're breaking it down to the nuts and bolts. Grab some modeling tools. A ballpoint will make some great patterns. Next up, glue some seashell spikes along the spine. Don't worry, we didn't forget the end. Hey, who turned off the lights? Better. You know, that torch could make a great scorpion tail. Especially when we add some more spikes. Of course, the pink is a little out of place. When it comes to bones, white is traditional. But who needs tradition? We're going metallic. Let's throw on some finishing touches while we're at it. Yeah, rust red really suits that jaw. Careful, there's paint on that. Ooh, this box has got some teeth to share. It's all right. Nails will make for an even sharper set of teeth. We're gonna need some engines on the side. Some tires will really get us going places. Deodorant? That can always come in handy, but not for the obvious reasons. We can use it for the car. Make a hole and add some wire. The right spark will help light the way. Careful now, you don't want to give him heartburn. Our car needs to be in shape to hit the roads. With repairs this cool, you'll want to break your car more often. Looks like we're going for a ride. And we didn't even have to wait in line. But I guess all fun things must come to an end.
Ouch! Yay!
Still want to go fast? Well, we've got just the thing. But first, we need to make a few adjustments.
Whoa!
Okay, those chainsaws send a message. But we want to show everyone that we mean business. Yeah, that blade ain't for slicing pizza.
Now!
Now it's your turn. Guess there's some assembly required. Ah, cardboard is a crafter's best friend. Just hook it up with some hot glue. These blocks really help to build things up. Wow, cardboard sure comes in handy when you need a cover. But our new tires need some texture. It's already got a need for speed, but now it's your turn. Guess a new cover is just a tennis ball away. But next up, we're about to go geometric. Start out round, but we need some spikes. We're whipping up an 8-wheeler. Ooh, can you spare a straw? Add to the sides. These will really help hook us up. This car's ready to slice and dice. You can't spell cardboard without car. But we really need to rev up these engines. And with tails, the better, the bigger. Of course, every car needs a nice paint job. But I wouldn't complain if a new look just slides right on. And I think we can use a few finishing touches. I bet this thing doubles as a radio antenna. Always helps to have a rocket in your pocket. Studs protect from skids and add color. Still, who needs color when everything goes with black? Ooh, we can't forget our logo. Guess it pays to be a transformer. Let's heat things up. Yeah, we earned a little lunch break. By the rocket's red glare, we're about to blast off. Let's warm up with a quick race. That's enough. Let's get ready to rumble. They'll go at it until one car's left standing. Though, by the looks of it, we might be here a while.
Wow! Hey! Huh? Hmm?
Three, two, amazing. Amazing.